Ever wondered why you feel off balance? Maybe it's time to check under your spiritual hood and tune up those chakras. Imagine your body as a mystical highway, with 7 major energy hubs called chakras, spinning away like cosmic wheels of fortune. The term chakra means wheel in Sanskrit and refers to energetic vortices in the body. Chakras are dynamic, non-physical aspects of our subtle body, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and memories. But it's not all about luck, it's about alignment and flow. From your grounding at the root, right down to your toes, moving up to the crown of your head where you connect to the divine cosmos. Each chakra plays a vital role in your physical, mental, and spiritual wellness. The chakras were first mentioned in the Vedas, 1500 to 1000 BCE, and further elaborated in the Upanishads, Puranas, and Tantra. Chakras are seen as centers of consciousness, connecting us to the divine and enhancing our potential through practices like yoga, mantras, pranayama, and meditation. Think of it as the ultimate control panel for your well-being. Feeling a bit sluggish or out of sync? Maybe your solar plexus wheel could use a gentle nudge, or perhaps your throat chakra is begging for a tune-up to clear communication blockages. Through meditation, yoga, or just plain old reflection, you can explore and balance these energy centers. And who knows? A little chakra check today might just lead to a more vibrant, energetic tomorrow. So, are you ready to reconnect with your inner universe and maybe even snag some cosmic karma points along the way? Let's get those chakras spinning. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more mystical journeys and chakra wisdom. Your path to enlightenment awaits.